These video series are made for complete beginners who want to create YouTube channel on their phone. I simplify the process as to enable you start immediately with clarity. If you can concentrate to watch to the end, I urge you to subscribe as to be notified when part 2 will be posted. As a complete beginner who wants to create own YouTube channel on the mobile device, in this part 1 series of how to create a YouTube channel, we are going to start creating own Google accounts, which is the first step. Open your browser. A browser is an app designed to allow users access and view websites and browse the internet. We have numerous browsers. Some of them are Google Chrome, Apple Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Samsung Internet, Opera Mobile. You can download any of these browsers. Go through your Apple Store if you are using iPhone. Alternatively, if you are using an Android, go to your YouTube Play Store and download any of them. I'll be using Google Chrome, and of course, Google is the owner of YouTube. When you are here on Google Chrome, search for google.com. At the top right hand side of this page, you can see my profile picture, which means that I have already created an Google account. If you are a new person who is trying to create an account with Google, you will see an avatar, a logo there in place of this profile picture. Click on it and it will take you to this page, Google sign in page. Either to use your email or phone number, but in this case we are creating a new account. So hit on create account. Give your option for my personal use or for work or business. Choose personal use. Here you will input your details like your first name and the second name, although it is optional. Hit on next. Google basic informations, like you enter your birthday and the gender. Tap on months. Choose the month. Tap on day. Choose the day and type the year. Key in the year. Hit on the down arrow for gender and choose whether male or female. Then hit on next. You choose your Gmail address. Google gave us options on the email address to choose. And the third option is whether we want to create our own Gmail address. I want to create a new Gmail address. I tap on it. it gives me a chance to write the new address. Success. We are asked for a password. Make sure you key in a strong password. If possible, mixture of letters, numbers, and special characters. Here, Google wants us to review our account information. Our account information is right. Hit on Next. Privacy and terms, which you must agree. Scroll down and hit I agree. Let's find out whether the account is really created by hitting on that logo icon by our right hand top corner. Here is Crescent David, which we just created. Hit on it. At the top right corner, you can see the alphabet C, meaning that this account has been created. Subscribe and tap the notification bell as to be informed when the part 2 of this video series, how to create a YouTube channel on your mobile phone for the complete beginner, will be released.